In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have commenced a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have started the chapter and it is about syntax. That syntax is the study of the structure of the sentence. Then, in the syntax, I share different structures of sentences, different phrases, different texts that how to know and identify a phrase. Like I describe, along with the tree diagram, movement test, replacement test, and the deletion of some words. On the other hand, I told you that there are 5 phrases which have their own heads. Like we have noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, and prepositional phrase. They have their own heads. Today, we are talking about in the closed class. That in the closed class, we have some words which do not have their own head. Like, take the example of conjunction. Conjunction does not have its own head as preposition phrase have. Preposition phrase have its own head, while conjunction it does not have its own head. Now, in this lecture, I will tell you that what is the method of the tree diagram, what is the structure of the conjunction as a tree diagram. So let's come to the topic. Listeners and audience, you know that conjunction is a word which connects two constituents in order to make a larger constituent. When I say constituent, constituent is actually a chunk of words. A chunk of words, a group of words which can move from one place into another in a sentence. In other words, constituent is actually a phrase which can move from one place into another in a sentence. Okay, and I also told you that if you want to recognize a phrase, so a phrase can replace by a single word like it, he, she, it, etc. Okay, so conjunction joins two constituents to make a larger NP, to make a larger constituent. For example, I'm writing a sentence. Yes, the man and the woman are living now. Okay. The man and the woman are living now. Listeners and audience, when we are talking about the building of this sentence structure of the tree diagram for the whole sentence, and our focus would be particularly on the conjunction, which is coordinating conjunction, because it joins two constituents, two phrases. So here you see we have the man. This is one constituent, and we also have the woman. This is another constituent. So these are two constituents which are connected by, yes, which are connected by just one conjunction, that is called coordinative conjunction. And we are writing for the symbol for it, CC. So this is one constituent which is NP, noun phrase. This is another constituent which is NP. So this is also noun phrase. So when it is connected by, when they are connected by a one coordinative conjunction, so then it is again called noun phrase. When we can say it, a larger constituent, a lengthy noun phrase. Okay. Now, let me draw the tree diagram for it, the tree structure for it. So in a sentence we have S. S means sentence. So then syntactically we have NP. NP means noun phrase. And then we have VP. VP means verb phrase. So now the method of this sentence is completely different, particularly this lengthy structure, this lengthy constituent. Why? Because of coordinative conjunction. Previously, we were just taking one string of NP and then another string of NP. But there are two NPs. So that's why we are taking a separate structure for it. So we are taking two NP because there are two constituents. So NP, we are taking one NP here, yes, and we are taking another NP here. Now why I'm taking two separate NPs? Because this NP is for the man and this NP is for the woman. So in NP we have article, that is the, and men we have N, that is noun. So man is noun. On the other hand, we have what? We have N, which is CC. CC means coordinative conjunction. So it does not have its own head, so we are only writing for its CC. As you know, article does not have its own head. Same is the case, coordinative conjunction does not have its own head. Now, in NP we have the woman. So we have article and we also have woman, that is N, which means noun. Now we are taking VP, which means verb phrase. What is VP here? VP here, it is, living is what? Living is V, yes, and V, which means verb, and verb we have auxiliary verb, that is R, or helping verb. And what is now? Now is adverbial phrase. So here we are separating from VP, adverbial phrase. ADVP means adverbial phrase. So we have ADV. So this is the structure of the conjunction, that how to draw a tree diagram for a conjunction when it is within or inside the noun phrases. I'm just going to draw another tree diagram for another sentence. For example, if I say Aslam and Akram are going. Okay. Again we have NP. We have S, which means sentence. And sentence we have what? NP, and we have VP. So now we are taking two NP because Aslam is one NP and Akram is another. So here we are taking NP, and that is N, which is Aslam, and we are taking here CC, which is coordinating conjunction. It does not have its own head, and Akram. So for Akram we are also taking, let me take it later on, we also taking what? Another NP, and that is what? N. And here we have CC, which I have written already, coordinating conjunction. And after that we are separating for it. We have what? We have V, which is mean verb, going. And with verb we have auxiliary verb, that is R. So this is all about conjunction and its tree structure. Hope that this topic is clear to you.